Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing okay and enjoying my previous videos. In this video I'm going to talk about Bollinger Band and MACD combined profitable trading power. Also I'm going to discuss different reversal pattern buy and sell signal, snapback to middle line strategies, M and W patterns, and finally I'm going to talk about using MACD indicator to verify the accuracy of Bollinger Band signal.
Since the analysis of Bollinger Band indicator is based on forecast and prediction of a future event and sometimes may give us false signal, it is therefore advisable, as John Bollinger, the inventor of this indicator, says, to use other technical analysis to double check and confirm the results to ensure the accuracy of the price trend buy and sell strategies. In this video, I'm using MACD indicator for verification of Bollinger Band signal.
Snapback to middle line strategy is a good and safe way to make money in stock trading. In a downward trend, if the price trend exits the lower Bollinger Band and stop due to a rapid price decrease, it generates a buy signal and possible reversal of the trend. In an upward trend, if the price trend exits the upper band due to rapid increase in price, it generates a sell signal and possible reversal of the trend. In fact, price trend look like an imaginary spring that is attached to the Bollinger Band middle line. And when you pull and stretch the spring, it will reach to the upper or lower band or even exit the band after some fluctuation. At this point, the kinetic energy of the spring, which is the market buying power, is at its lowest level, and the potential energy is at its maximum level, which is the market selling power. We all know that this spring eventually has to return back to rest, which is its original middle line position. In this strategy, you are waiting for the market to bounce off the bands back to middle line. You will be able to constantly and safely pull high, profitable winning percentage of money out of the market over time, and eventually you will have less worrying about any distress from market fluctuation. When the price leaving the upper or lower band toward the middle line, that is the time you enter or exit the market. Let's have some example. This is Yahoo Finance WMT stock. On your left, we see a graph that the price is going up, it's upward trend, and it reaches this point, and after that it comes back inside the band and continue toward middle line. So this is the upward trend. We check it from MACD indicator. We see, yes, in MACD indicator this is a blue line which is above the orange line. That is the sign of upward trend, and it goes up, it's upward until here, and it changes direction. Now, in order to know where we have to enter or exit the market to make money, we have to go to a time frame one step lower. Instead of this time frame is H1, which is each candle represent 1 hour of trading, and this graph on your right, the time frame is M15, each candle represent 15 minutes of trading, and you see that the trend is start going upward from here, and all the way it goes upward, and then after that it goes to inside the band and continue downward until this point. If you look at the MACD indicator, you see MACD indicate the same thing. It starts from here, that is going upward. This is the time that you have to enter the market right here. And it continue upward. And finally, this upward situation, it finish here. This is the place that you have to exit the market. Exit the market here. And the trend is downward all the way here. And again, if you can enter the market right here. So we can say that this is the place to enter the market. And also, this is the place that you enter the market. And this is the place that you have to exit the market. Another Bollinger Band buy signal. In a downward trend, if the price trend exits the lower band with a bearish candle and closes below the lower band and then return back again and closes inside the lower band with a bullish candle, then a buy signal is generated. I use also MACD indicator for justification. Let's have an example. This is Yahoo Finance K stock and H1 time frame. Now, if we are in a downward trend like this and we exit the lower band with the bearish candle and closes outside the band like this and return back again inside the band with the bullish candle and closes inside the band like this, then the trend will change from downward to upward. Here the same thing in MACD indicator. We are in this is a downward trend. The blue line is below the orange line, and again it changes the reverse direction. Upward trend. This is the same chart as the chart before that I explained. Instead, we have M15 time frame. Now, the trend is downward, as you see, downward all the way here, and exit the lower band with the bearish candle and closes outside, and enter back again inside the band with the bullish candle and closes inside the band, and then we are having a reversal from downward to upward. Now we see it from the MACD indicator too. This is all the way downward, and we change the reversal. That is the upward trend. Now in order to enter the market, you enter it right here. And in order to exit the market, right here you exit the market. In an upward trend, if the price trend exits the upper band with a bullish candle and closes above the upper band and then return back again and closes inside the runway with a bearish candle, then a sell signal is generated. I use MACD indicator for justification. Here, Yahoo Finance Air Canada M15 time frame. You see in this chart that the trend is upward, and also it closes with the bullish candle outside the upper band, and again it enters the band with the bearish candle, and the bearish candle closes inside the band. Same thing here, that is upward trend, and it closes outside the band with the bullish candle and return back with the bearish candle and closes inside the band. And the same thing here, that is the upward trend. It closes with the bullish candle outside the band and closes outside, and again return back inside the band with the bearish candle. So what happened? What is the result? The result is reversal. the trend was upward, now becoming downward here. Upward and becoming downward. Upward and becoming downward. Now similarly we see the same thing to approve it, to verify it, is MACD indicator. Look here, the trend is upward. The blue line is on the top of the orange line, upward, and then it becoming downward. The blue line is below the orange line, up to here. And again, upward and downward. Upward till here and downward. Now, you have to enter the market right here. This is one place. That is another place to enter the market. That is another place to enter the market. And where to exit the market? To exit the market here, that's one. Pay attention carefully. That's two. You exit the market. And that's three. You exit the market. This is Yahoo Finance K stock and H1 time frame. To explain what is M pattern in Bollinger Band, when you are in upward trend like here, this is upward trend, then the price make a high peak outside the upper band and then bounce back inside and make another peak here inside the runway. This is the indication of M pattern. And then after that, you see the direction of the trend becoming reversal, going downward. What is W pattern? When you are in downward trend like this, the price make a low peak outside the lower band and after bounce back inside and make another peak inside the runway like this. Then again the direction reverses and becoming from downward it become upward trend. Same thing you see it for verification from MACD indicator. The price goes up, the trend upward, and then it changes the direction downward. Right from the corresponding point here, downward. And then again, from here, it becoming upward. Look, that's upward. Now, in order to know where you have to enter and exit the market, you enter the market here, and also you enter the market here. And you exit the market right there, where the MACD indicator and signal line crosses each other. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.